Here is a serious simultaneous equation question. It's 5 marks, non-calculator, and it's a skill you're probably never going to use in your life, but it might come up in your GCSE exam. So let's go ahead. Firstly, a common mistake I've seen students do is they try square roots both sides of here, so that they try to write that as x plus y equal to square root of 25, which is 5. This is a wrong thing to do. We cannot do that, so invalid. Now, the first thing to do, we need to do substitution. To be able to do that, we need to put y or x as the subject in the second equation. The easy way of doing it, so it's putting y as the subject. Now, we need to put this expression for y into the first equation. So, the first equation becomes all squared plus 25. Now, the expansion of 13 plus 3x all squared, let's write that here, is a double bracket expansion, so 13 plus 3x. So that will become 13 times 13 plus 13 times 3x, another one, plus 9x squared, 3x times 3x. So this is 9x squared plus 78x plus 169. Okay, so bringing that over here, so x squared plus 9x squared plus 78x. Since everything's positive, we don't need to put the brackets. 169 equal to 25. Let's draw that line there. So that's 10x squared plus 78x. Bringing the 25 over to this side to make it 0, to make the other side 0. So let's take away 25. That's plus 144 equal to 0. Now, remember, this is non-calculator. So halving everything, so that's 5x squared plus 39x plus 72 equals to 0. You can try and factorize that, but best way I'd say to go about it is using the quadratic formula. So x is equal to, which is provided in your formula booklet, 4ac over 2a. So the a coefficient is 5, b equals 39, and c equals 72 in this case. So x equals, let's try and make that nice. So x equals negative 39 plus or minus 39 squared minus 4ac, so 4 times 5 times 72, all over 2 times 5, which is 2 times a. So, right. So 39 squared is what it looks like I need to work out. So 39 times 39, I don't know, it's 81, 9 times 27, so it's 35, and then 0, 27, 2, that's 11, plus 1, 2, 5, 1. Okay, hopefully that's correct. And then 4 times 5 times 72, that's 20 times 72. So 72 times 20, that's just 2 times that, it's 1,440. So then take them away, so that's 39 squared, take away 1,440 is equal to 1,521. Subtract 1,440, that looks like it's going to be 81, so that's good. So this bit becomes square root of 81, which is 9. So x is equal to, we need more space. So x is equal to negative 39 plus or minus square root 81 over 10. So that means my x1 is equal to, so that's 9. So if I do negative 39 take away 9 over 10, that becomes negative 48 over 10, so it's negative 4.8. x2 is equal to negative 39 plus 9 over 10, which equals to negative 30 over 10, which is negative 3. then my y1 is equal to, remember to find the y values as well, so we need to put that into, it's better to put it into the linear one, so we get one value out for y, negative 4.8 into there, so it's negative 3 times negative 4.8, it's going to be 14.4, so 13 take away 14.4 is negative 1.4, and then y2 becomes negative 3, putting it in there, so negative 3 times negative 3 is 9, 13 take away 9 is 4. So these are our final answers.